honoring the valor, dedication, and legacy of the Indian Air Force. Astro Links is proud to have been entrusted with the prestigious task of renovating the Indian Air Force Museum. This project stands as a tribute to the glorious history of the Indian Air Force and the brave warriors who have defended our skies. For years, Astro Links has been privileged to work closely with the Indian Armed Forces, preserving and presenting their legacy through art, design, and restoration. This collaboration with the Indian Air Force is a true honor, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the IAF for this esteemed opportunity. Gallery 1 takes visitors on a journey through time, tracing the evolution of the Indian Air Force since its inception in 1932. It showcases the different uniform patterns that have defined generations of air warriors. Highlights significant operations carried out during wartime and peacetime. The gallery also sheds light on the humanitarian role of the IAF, illustrating their rehabilitation efforts during natural calamities such as earthquakes and tsunamis, and features a life-sized prototype of the historic Longewala battlefield. A remembrance corner stands solemnly in tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives for the nation. The successful completion of this monumental project was made possible through the seamless collaboration between the Indian Air Force Museum staff and the creative and technical experts of Astro Links. The unwavering dedication of the IAF team, combined with our expertise in art, restoration, and display curation, ensured that each artifact was meticulously placed and every exhibit upheld the highest standards of authenticity. Working in perfect synergy, the Indian Air Force Museum staff provided invaluable historical insights, while Astro Links specialists executed the restoration with precision, adhering to international museum norms. This partnership ensured that every element, from archival displays to intricate installations, was crafted with accuracy and artistic excellence. The result is a space where the legacy of the Indian Air Force is preserved and presented in its truest and most inspiring form. Gallery 2 is dedicated to the heroes of the Indian Air Force. This space honors the Gallantry Award recipients, preserving their legacy for generations. A special section pays tribute to the legendary Marshal of the Indian Air Force, Arjan Singh, TFC. His uniforms, cherished mementos, and personal photographs find their rightful place here, along with other legendary Indian Air warriors. Portraits of former chiefs of air staff, historic uniforms, and significant accoutrements stand as a testament to the evolution of the force. A dedicated photo frame corner showcases all operational squadrons and units of the Indian Air Force. The flags of the Indian Air Force. Gallery 3 immerses visitors in the power and might of the Indian Air Force. A comprehensive display of operational air defense equipment, advanced missile systems, and armaments offers a glimpse into the cutting-edge technology that safeguards our nation. Astro Links takes immense pride in its association with the Indian Air Force and in contributing to the preservation of its illustrious history. This renovation project stands as a symbol of respect, admiration, and commitment to ensuring that the valiant stories of our air warriors continue to inspire generations to come. We sincerely thank the Indian Air Force for this remarkable opportunity. It is our honor to stand alongside the defenders of the sky, preserving their legacy with the dignity and reverence it truly deserves.